Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Friday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from the uptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures are above fair value. It is awfully quiet out there. We also have gold trading higher again on Friday morning, while at the same time, we've got Bitcoin and crude oil trading slightly lower on Friday. On Friday mornings, I like to print off some weekly charts just to see how the market is doing going into the weekend. Bitcoin is trading down slightly on the week. It is stuck here trying to break out above 125,000. No change there. The price of gold continued to move higher. It did trade through the $4,000 level before pulling back. It is trading up at that level in the pre-market on Friday morning. No joy for crude oil inside week so far. Then we've got the VIX. The VIX has been in the channel for the past few weeks. That is neutral, of course, so no change for the VIX on the weekly chart. Looking at the S&P 500, up a little over 0.25%. There's the NASDAQ 100 up over 1.25%. While at the same time, we've got the Russell 2000 down 0.3%, and the TSX Composite, after making a new all-time high, is actually trading lower right now on the week, down 0.2%. Now, looking at the VIX or the fear index, no joy. We pulled back yesterday. We are still on technically not. Next up, we're looking at the VIX, and the VIX is technically on a buy signal right now, but we're ignoring that at the moment, looking for a breakout above the flypaper channel, and of course, we're making sure that the streams don't cross. The pros still are not outbidding the public for the major VIX ETFs, and if that were to happen, that would be a sign that the options traders in Chicago are starting to get concerned about the health of the stock market. At the same time, you can see they're pretty close to doing that, but they still have not done it. Looking at the world of gold, gold pulled back yesterday. It was down $97.90. It's up $30 in the pre-market this morning, so nobody's in a rush to get out of gold on Friday. We did see it pull back and close below the previous day's low, and so that could mark a top, but we still need more confirmation of that, and we're again not seeing that in the pre-market this morning. Canadian gold stocks are back on a sell signal as of Thursday's close. The GDX and the juniors are still on a buy signal in New York. We've got lots of gold stocks with coming into Friday on daily sell signals, and of course, the fact that the price of gold is going up this morning doesn't mean people don't want to take profits in their stocks. So there's Agnico Eagle on a sell signal. Barrick traded through the lower channel line yesterday, did not close below it. So a close below yesterday's low on Friday would give us a sell signal for Barrick. There's Kinross back on a sell signal as of Thursday's close. We've got Newmont still on a buy signal here. Things would change on Friday with a close below $84.63. Then we've got New Gold, Royal Gold, Sandstorm, all on sell signals coming into Friday's trading action. And then Wheaton is on its second day of a sell signal coming into Friday. Let's finish off with a quick look at the chip sector. We've got the semiconductor ETFs up at resistance. So if you're looking at the SMH, we're up here trying to deal with $343.75. That is also true for the XSD, also trying to deal with that magic number. And then if we look at the 3X, bull ETF for the semiconductor sector, it is trying to deal with $43.75. So we're up here stuck at resistance. This could be the top for semiconductors. We certainly have no evidence of that going into Friday's trading action, but it's something to keep an eye on going forward. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. As I mentioned, it's going to be a quick presentation. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. If you're a member, I'll be doing a presentation on Sunday. If you're not a member, then next time you'll hear my voice is on Tuesday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theyuptrend.com.